How to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and any other Samsung S25 series. By default, set the lock screen wallpaper and home screen wallpaper on a Samsung S25 Ultra and any other Samsung device. To change the wallpaper, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Here you can see the lock screen wallpaper or home screen wallpaper. So tap on it. If you want to change both, tap the change wallpaper option. So tap change the wallpapers. Here you can see the list of different available wallpaper by default. Here you can see the features wallpaper. 5 wallpaper only available on the latest Samsung device. Here you can select photo from your own photo for your phone gallery or album. So you can choose your own photo if you want to set. Go back. Here you can create a AI wallpaper, generate the AI wallpaper. Also select the photo ambient wallpaper, graphical wallpaper, colors. In the last you can see the wallpaper services, dynamic lock screen wallpaper that will automatically change on your lock screen. So select the any wallpaper you want to set on a home screen and lock screen. So here we select the default photo like this. Here you can select lock screen or home screen you want. So we select the only lock screen option here. So tap the next button. Now here you can see how it looks on your lock screen. You can also select frame for your wallpaper like different frame like this on your lock screen for your wallpaper. So select the frame you want to set. Here we select the star. Also select the color of frame. You can see you can customize your lock screen wallpaper like this. So select the frame and color. Go back. You can also add effect, different effect to wallpaper. Make sure internet is working to see the available different effects on a background. So select the background effect and tap on apply button at the top right corner. Tap on done. Now apply to lock screen. Now lock your Samsung S25 Ultra and you can see apply wallpaper to the lock screen. So it's quite easy to change the wallpaper on a home screen and lock screen on a Samsung S25 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.